Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to outline an object in GIMP. Or should I say stroke to sound more techie? Nope, they're one and the same thing. Let's get started. So I have my image with its transparent background. The first thing I need to do is to select around the exact image. And to do that, you need to go into Layer, Transparency, and select Alpha to Selection. And now you can see that the outline is hugging the image. Create a new transparent layer and make sure it's the active layer. Then go to Select and Grow to decide on how thick you want your outline to be. Once you've done that, select the foreground colour you want the outline to be and use the Fill tool to fill the outline. You may have to rearrange your layers so that the outline is behind your image. If I move the original image out of the way, you can see that this could be a cool way to create a silhouette of an object, if you ever have need for that. For more GIMP videos, click here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time if you've subscribed.